Make sure you have the latest SDK installed, VRCFury, and your Unity project open. And straight from your Explorer, you can double-click the Unity package and click Import. You want to navigate to VIO, Lightning Breathing, VRCFury prefabs. We can do PC. These will be the gesture-controlled prefabs. Let's go with standard. So you just click, drag, and drop it on the name of your avatar, just like that. Then expand the prefab until you see lightning container. You can use W, E, and R to reposition, rotate, and resize respectively. Here, this long orange line is our raycast. If you want to see the actual particles, you can expand lightning container and then click lightning body, turn it on, and then lock the inspector and hit restart right here. And the particles should play. And since our inspector is locked, we can safely click lightning container and reposition. You'll see this small cyan sphere right here. This is your nose boop receiver. So let's put that right on the nose. And that should do it.